Dadang! Good night! Dadang, good night, Dang. Good night. Love you, Dadang. Ninyo. Hi. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Di ko maipaliwanag, di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Thank you for watching po.
But yeah, we've gone and seen the monkeys. I've interacted with the monkeys. Yeah. One of them.
Actually, find land in Manila first. You're gonna be land here in Manila, in Ninoy Aquino International Airport, in Manila Airport.
What?
With, I don't know what you call the line.
Yeah, it'll be in Manila.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're gonna be landing
Hello.
here in Manila
Oh,
Airport.
Hi.
pretty much all international flights there.
I'm all watching on the mic and then
And
also.
you have to take another flight to like the other islands.
Cebu.
Cebu.
I think Cebu, yeah.
Thank you for watching. The eye bags.
There's Cebu and then the other. It can be either Manila or what you call that, Clark, Pampanga. There's also Clark, Pampanga.
Yeah, but they're not international.
No, international Clark.
It is international.
Yeah. But,
Robert Wingate. Hi,
but
Sir
with
Robert.
Cebu, you're gonna need to stop here in Manila.
Yeah, Cebu is our regional airport. Yeah, I do Chicago.
There's ano,
But I went, well,
Thank you po.
yeah, I went.
Di ko maipaliwanag. Kuya Dre, Jollibee. My eye bag. Thank you so much. How are you? I'm fine. Sir Robert Wingate. I'm fine po. Thank you for watching 6 people here. Thanks so much. Di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Nasa isip. You were sleepy, yeah. I'm sleepy. My God. Hi, May. Oh my God, May. Thank you, May. May. Ikaw ang nasa isip. Hi, Kuya. Dre from Jack. From Jack. Di ko maipaliwanag. Zoop Mike from Kuya Dre. Hey Shara, hi Sir Jamie. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, Sir Jamie. Di ko maipaliwanag. Don't try. I've fallen in love with you down. Hello, Choopy. Choopy. How are you? I'm fine, Choopy. What the name? Chupi chupi. Tick. I'm fine. How about you, pa? Hi, May. Marco. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Santa Rosa Lima, amiga. I don't understand. Marco. I don't understand po. For people watching. Ko maipaliwanag, di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Tatapanig. Chupi chupi, where are you? Where are you now? I'm home. I'm not allowing myself to go to GT Live anymore. She's so cute. Really? Kuya Dre, my god, you're so funny. Really? You're so cute, Kuya Dre. My god, Kuya. Hi, me. So cute. Samuel Papa, are you... Oh, what? She's so cute, my god. Kuya Dre, you're so funny and you're so cute, my god. You're so cute. You tampo yourself, ha. Good morning. I hope you are having a great day. Thank you, May. Did it hurt? Hmm? Did it hurt? Fallen mate. Hi, fallen mate. Samuel. Samuel. Did it hurt when you feel from heaven, huh? From heaven? What? Anderson Jones. What do you mean?
Mama na yun ang sandayan ko.
Ala, ala. Pagkali ko ito na imo today. Kenapa daw? Kaya mo daw sa diho. Hey, are you, Samuel Papa? What? I don't understand your language. What are you saying? What are you saying? Chop, chong, chong. Yes, Anderson, it did. She was in the hospital for a month. Huh? She was in the hospital for a month? From Malaysia. From Malaysia for the meet. Is it Sibuyu live? No, I'm in Bicol. I live in Bicol province, not in Cebu. I'm getting ready for school. Okay, May. Study hard. FP4517, hello. I'm fine. How about you? How are you? A wonderful lady. Thank you so much. I will get a sampal and my Jollibee budget will get mahal. Yeah. You need a sampal talaga. You will get sampal and more Jollibee. Getting mahal. More mahal. Guapa Shara. Hi, Jess Rocker. Thank you. Thank you pa. Bicol is where actually. Yes, Sorsogon. I live in Bicol, Sorsogon, Bicol province. I'm not Bisaya po. Ay, pag ano ka, naka-live ako, bawal ang music. Bawal ang music, naka-live ako. What are you doing? I'm doing live, May. I'm sitting and I talk to you here. Heather, your name is... Obviously, my name is not Noto, okay, Samuel? Obviously, not Noto, oh my God. No, Samuel, it's Nonya. So where is Bicol? Sorsogon, Sir Robert Wingate. I live in Sorsogon, Bicol province. Living in Sorsogon po. I am getting ready for school. Okay, May. Take care, May. Have a nice day. Miss Nonya. Miss Nonya. Miss Nonya. Miss Nonya. As in Nonya business. What means Nonya? I don't understand Nonya. Noto and Nonya. What is that? Your good name, mom. Maybe one more GTV live, then I stay away. She's just so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, Kuya Dre. Alright. I will join back when I am on the bus. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, May. Nonya is a slang word. Ah, okay. Nonya is a slang word. Bye. Bye, May. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much. And if you really love me, gonna get your love. You are so lovely there. Ah, Samuel. Samuel. Ngayon, sa higa mo. Kay mapapagala naman ako singka pataririk sa inyo. None of your business, Nonya. Do, 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 do. Honestly, you look cute. Thank you, Samuel. Get it now. Good. Get it now. Bad Kuya Dre. Yes, bad Kuya Dre. Oh my God, Kuya. Kuya Dre. No Jollibee. More Jollibee. Mahal Jollibee. Hello, Kuya Dre. GTV. Oh my God. GTV. Ay, Kuya Dre. Ma'am GTV is here na. My God, Kuya. Samuel, her martial status is none of your concern. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Jis Rocker. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Guapa Grace. Oh my God. Gorgeous. She here help me. Lagot ka, Kuya Dre. Mahal Jollibee. Oh my God. Hi, Climar Luciano. Hello. Kuya Dre, lagot. Mahal. Jollibee. Hi, Grace. From Kuya Grace. Ah! Nako, Kuya.
Tanggal.
Natanggal. Kuya, natanggal. Ma'am Grace. Oh my God, Ma'am Grace. That's very would use the saying Nonya. Ah, okay. Nonya. Nonya. Hi, Belly. Thank you, Belly. Mm, ah, okay.
Magkabalibot. Ay, busog ka.
Thank you, Belly. I need to know. Hmm. Thumbs up, 13. Thank you for the thumbs up, Belly. Don't tell her what I said, Jollibee. Oh my god, she read. She can read, she can scroll. My god. Gonna get some grapes for my rep. Okay. Take your time, Sir Robert. Samuel, J.S. Tracker, are you her husband? No. Samuel Tapay. J.S. Tracker, he have a beautiful jowa. He have a beautiful girlfriend. Dragon, Dragon, thank you, Dragon. Delete it. You only can delete it. You can delete, Kuya. You are my moderator. Samuel, I'm her big brother, yes. Big Lan, why do you have so many banned from your life? Big Lan? Yeah, so many. What happened? Big Lan? Maybe the comment na not good here, that's why the banned. He just record better go to hell. Why are you interfering my chat with her? Huh? John Henry Zangman, so sweet. Big brother is protect his little sister. That's why Samuel Papa. I like you. Oh, you want some Sammy? You need to fix it. YouTube can remove your reward status. Okay, Big Lon, thank you so much, Big Lon. How I fix that? How can I fix it? Reward status. You need to fix it. YouTube can remove your. Okay. Oh my God. I need to fix it. Okay. I will. Why a moderator need to be? Why a moderator? Huh? Big Lon? Why a moderator need to be respectful? Oh my God, Samuel. Pretty sure that's not the real Biglon. Yeah, that's not a real Biglon. Biglon is not like he's not like that. That's why I wonder. Biglon is not comment like that. Yes. Uh, Yeah, that's not him. Yeah, Biglon is not like that. So he's not ano. Why are you like that? Ano, K Biglon. Yeah, Biglon is not like that. That's why I wonder. Yeah, that's not there. And if you really love me again. That's why we need to hide something channel here because of yes, Sammy, it was your mom. Oh my god. Grace is still here. I think Hellos maybe she lurking and she already read. Oh my god, Kuya Dre. Lagot ka. Love my ice cold. Grapes. Oh, I like grapes. Just saying, take her, my friend. Take her. Kuya Dre. Melvin Corpus. Melvin Corpus. Hello, huh? 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 Marky Curlew. Marky Curlew. Oh, 80 people here na. Thank you so much. Oh, ano ba yun? I mean, I'm waiting to my bus stop right now. Okay. Hey, dog. Oh my god. Long time no hear, dog. How are ya? Fake Biglon. Your information is incorrect. Yes. Yeah. Ano? Biglon is suddenly, oh my god, talking about like that. He's not, Biglon is not like that. Ano? What ano? What ano? You is beautiful girl. Me? It cold. It cold. Yeah, cold here. Means cold here. So cold here. So cold. And if you really love me, can you love me harder? Love me harder. Yeah, is it cold? Yeah, is it cold? Is it cold in Florida? Yeah. Ah, yeah, so cold there. It's supposed to be warm in Philippines. Yeah, warm here, but I felt cold. Maybe when you hear you feel warm, but me I feel cold. Different weather. Something Florida is cold. Yeah, so cold, freezing, freezing. Weather in America is freezing. That's where I live. Oh my god. We need a big snow until We never experienced snow here in the Philippines. Never experienced big snow. How is that? My father he's fine. He's fine now. Hope he's felt better and better and better. How are you doing, Cheryl? I'm doing live po, May. Ooh, oh my, it's from oh May is from US. Yeah, it is called Please Help Me. May is living in Florida. She's living in Florida. Mr. Wonderful, hi, Mr. Wonderful. I can't stop laughing. I'm imagining Sammy calling me while in his Indian accent. Oh my god, Jace Rocker. Yeah, oh my god, I don't know, I imagine. Oh, my boss is coming. Okay, take care, me. I'm snowed in here, Kentucky. Be careful of the snow. Oh my god, too cold, freezing. I drink Pepsi Max. Wow. Sir Robert, I want blue jacket, honey. Wonderful. Where are you from, Mr. Wonderful? Beautiful woman. Ben, Sir Ben, thank you, Sir Ben. I'm in the bus. Sticker me. Sticker always. My crush is gone. Sumbong kita. Lagot ka, kuya. Sir, Mom Grace is so busy, so that's why he just dropped the, ano, he just dropped the support for, ano, close friends. Mr. Wonderful, people in hell want ice water. JS Rocker, oh my god. Mr. Pat, quick. Hello, everyone. So, Mr. Pat, thank you so much. Mr. Pat from GS Rocker. Thank you po. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. I'm gonna love you. So tell me where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. I'm going to leave. Take her, May. They like me sweet, huh? Yes, you got from Mr. Pat. I will join back later. Okay, thank you, May. She's a teacher. No, she's a principal. Kuya Dre. Mom Grace, she's a principal. Uh, if I was still a student, I would not learn anything. I would be too busy having cry. Oh my God, Kuya Dre, calm down. You need to
Ano?
you need to stop that. You have a jowa. Oops, what did I say? Mr. Pat, what did you say? Hey, Big Lon. Oh my God, Big Lon. Oh my God, hello. Oh my God. Big Lon here now. What happened, Big Lon? Dre gets sent to the principal's office. Yeah. Kuya,
Tanggal.
you have already have a jowa. Lagot ka. More Jollibee, mahal Jollibee. Hi, Rolo. Eh, eh, eh. Di dang dang. Hi, dang dang. Hi. All the time, office just send me for nothing. Just send for nothing just to see the principals. Oh my God. You look beautiful, my friend. Thank you, Rolo. Mr. Pat, did you enjoy your sleep after washing your clothes this morning, Cheryl? Yes, I sleep well. I sleep a lot. Where's your what your? Di naman sa pinipilit ko. Where you're reading? Reading? Sound sleep you were out for the account. Yeah. Yes, but Mr. Pat. Rollo. Where are you from, Rollo? Di naman sa pinipilit ko. Piliin mo pag USA, Florida. Nice to meet you, Rollo. Florida. It's freezing here. Freezing there. Cold. So cold. But I changed my mind. I am staying. May, you need to study. Okay, I'm not saying anything about how cute she is again. She's so cute. It's okay to express the paghanga. Crush is paghanga, like affection. It's normal to you, Dre. It's normal po. Yes, called coming by. It's a normal human being to feel affection to the other opposite sex, but you already have the jowa. Kuya Gab, excuse me. I'm not school yet. School yet. Like we eat too much cherry. What? I'm on the bus. May. Be careful. Take her always. Okay, she's really cute. Cute and so beautiful. Mom Grace. See all of her. Oh, moton. 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 We are being careful, yes. That's good, May. The in love, May. Di naman sa pinipilit ko. Simple. Oh, ansiki mo naman. Hoy, ingatan mo gaban si ano mo, yung charges mo yun. Okay kung maraot yun, saraot yun, hindi ko na yung pahinga doon. Nalan yun, we are, say all pen. Jollibee help me, I'm being bad. No, no one can help you, just yourself. Whatever I say, you can, ano, you only responsible. You need to, it's okay to crush. No, it's okay, that's fine. But don't forget, you already have a job. Wow, my God. Yes, I can't resist because that's right. Mom Grace is so beautiful. She's not only cute, she's beautiful. Hey Joe, welcome in. Hi Joe and Grace. RIP to my hands. Oh, so because too cold. Hey Mike from Joe and Chris. Oh my God. How's everyone? Everyone is fine. Aray ko, dahil. Yes, it's okay to crush. Can you tell Aiza that for me? Oh my God. I thought she is rocker. She's your jowa. Aiza, she's your jowa, right? Future wife. Is it okay to crush? Can you tell Aiza that? Maybe. Oh my God. I'm afraid to say that to Aiza. Yeah, I'm scared because I know I'm also a woman. So if if my jowa, I know that he will crush to another woman. I will make sampal, not only sampal. Yes, she is. Not only sampal. I will a lot of tampo. More tampo. Oh my goodness. I'm because like me, I'm jealousy. Maybe your jowa, Isa, she's not jealousy, but me. Esteem is still around. No, doc, Tim he's fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Our love story is ended, doc. Okay, see you later. Bye, everyone. Thank you, May. Yes, bye, May. Bye, everyone. Bye, May. Our sure stick all the Philippines carry a stick with them. Stick? Stick? What is stick? I'm here, stick. This rocker. My God. Aray ko. Sumakit ang ano. Stick around. Stick around. Hello, Albania. Hi, Albania. Stick. Mhm. Di naman sa pinipilit ko. Hey, I will behave now. Really? Oh my God. Need to behave, kuya. It's okay to to feel the crush, but don't forget you have a jowa. You sleeping now? I'm not. Doc, I'm not. How are you, Doc? I'm cold. Yeah, cold there. My God, so cold in US. Very cold. US is very cold now. My God. Sorry, just playing. From Malaysia, failed in mint. From Malaysia, Sheldon. I wish I was somewhere warm. Here, a good weather here. 23 people. Aray ko, aday, aday. Aray. Patricia. Hey, sister. Good evening. Hi, Patricia. Good evening. How are you? 30 likes. Thank you for the 30 likes. Thank you for the likes, Patricia. That's probably why I'm crushing. She resembles my jowa. Aray ko. She resembles your jowa. Aray, aray. Yeah. Aray. I'm not comfortable. Oh my God. Sorry, sign of aging. Welcome, Dai. Taga saan po kayo, Patricia? Are you a Filipino, foreigner? Yes. Patricia? Hey, Mike, how's the weather down there? Mike. Mike. Mike is still here, the Mike. Calling Mike, calling. Santosh ready. Santosh. Santosh. 31 likes. Where is Mike? I'm glad to see there is no fighting on here. No, no need to fight. Doctor. I under Doc, I understand that before fighting here because team is just to protect my and my channel too. Yes, because a lot of you know. Give me a mind, give me a minute, Doc. I will find someone to fight with. My God. Maybe I'm just telling myself that. No need to fight, no need to argue pa. You bad Cheryl. Yes, I'm always Alfonso from Brazil. You are so chill. So chill. So calm. Julian. Hi, Julian. Oscar Posso. Don't fight me. I'm too busy crushing. My God. Busy crushing. Could you salo shalom salam? Shalom salam. Buona amiga. Hi, amigo. No, Joe, we got full snow, then slip on top. Cold as hell. Low 8, high 20. Doc? Confusing? Cheryl always got all the guys fighting. Huh? No. I behave. My God, I behave. You know me, Doc. I behave. My God. You quick question Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo, sorry. But I like Messi too. But I bet Ronaldo than Messi. But I like Messi. They both ano, no need to compare because they both they Messi Ronaldo and Messi are good player football. Homie Batsu, Homie Batsu. Uh, I want to join in the 10th fight. What? Oh my god. You finally someone who knows them. Yes. Yes, I like them both. No need to compare Ronaldo and Messi because they both are good player. They have a different they are different country, different team, but they both Gabriel and no la. They both are good player. They are missing a player in They are the legend. Different Ayun nga ni. Ano yun? Di naman na naman. I'm not married. Santosh. Thank you, Jess Rocker. William de la Cruz. Hey, William de la Cruz. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my lover can be someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe a photo. This is my last time saying it. She. My God, so cute. She's not only cute, she's also magayon, maganda. Mom Grace, she's so magayon, maganda. She's so maganda. So cute. I'm so in love with you. My God. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful your stomach. Oh, she like girls. Dodre. She's so magayon. Ganyan. My God. Cause maybe. Oh my God. My eyes. Hola saludos this the month. That's fine, GS Rocker. I like girls too. Oh my God. You like girls. Good morning, hello Turkey. Good morning from Turkey. Hindi naman nagtapad eh. May pasok ka masaga? Sure. That's what I say today. Hi, Khalil Salim. Khalil Salim. 37 likes. Thank you so much. How are you, Susie Chukri? Sure, like troubles. Huh? No, I don't like trouble. Duh. She laid some bricks behind her structure sound. Can you show us a good super chat? Yes. Can someone super chat, please? No one's. Hmm. Oya Dre, pang Jollibee.
Ayoko. Ikaw na.
How are you? I'm fine. Not long until your birthday, Jollibee.
Jabi.
Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, Jazz Records. Thank you so much. 13 people in the house. Beautiful lady, thank you, Sir Mike Mercado. Sir Mike. Don't let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Go. Oh, thank you. Trouble. Thank you, dog. Trouble talaga. Super chat. My God. I want you to know when if you hand you close to me. Troublemaker. Thank you so much. So make me feel. Mm, believe me. Lovely black hair. Well, Join, she doesn't want you black back, babe. Oh, huh? Oh my god. I'm so loving you. All the kisses She wants me more than she wants you. Yes, rocker. Good for you. I just can't believe that you're on mine now. You were just a dream. Yes, it is good for me. Right. Go then. Go then. My God. Thank you for the 39 likes, but thank you so much. Thirty-nine. You don't tell me what to do, baby. Raining here. Raining now. The Franco. Hello, good evening. I am from Malaysia. Hi, the Franco. The Franco from Malaysia. Just so maganda. Yes, so maganda. Mom Grace, so maganda. So cute and so maganda. Here comes the rain. Yes, here comes the rain. My God. Here comes the rain. My hair is so mababago. Good smell. What sounds like a threat? Well, that's a threat. So mabango my hair because of the shampoo. Hi, Chester Hexon. Good evening, my beautiful show. Thank you, Sir Chester. Thank you for joining po. Mike. Thank you, 42 people. Hit the likes. You. Jollibee, what you want for birthday? Anything. Anything, just a gift. I want Jollibee for my birthday. Ah! I'm any month of birthday. Ano? Mm, I have many wish. Aray ko. Cheryl hair has a split ends. Yes, I have a split ends. Yes, I have a little split ends. A lot. Ah, burning cold. Yeah. Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah.
Thank you, Golden. Hi, Golden. Don't stop. Oh my God. Thanks, Golden. Birthday is it soon? Yes, my birthday is soon. Birthday. 7 days to go.
7 days na, Mama.
What did I say that even resemble the thread? Resemble the thread?
Yeah.
JS Tracker. My heart will eat my lip. Sorry. My birthday is on February 2nd. Who is bullying? 7 days until 7 days ago. 7 days until 7 days ago. 7 days to go. 7 days to go. Jill's making friends like always. J from Jess Rocker. You are 41. Copy. Dog, just 41. Ah. Hi, Jess from Galvin. I like new friends, Jay. I see. Oh my god. Golden. Just wake up, Golden. You're just a baby. Huh? No. My god. Sure, I have a question. Yes. What is question, Golden? Oh my god, I felt nervous, Golden. Haha, the guy trying to pick up girls on Whitey is telling me to get alive. What is your question, Golden? Ask me, what is that? Have you talked to your ex lately? Yes. Yeah, I took days. Um, I took Tim. I took time. Bad news. He have bad news for. Um, I think. Oh, okay, I heard something. You. I don't know how to. I don't know. It's very mixed emotions. But never mind. Yeah. Thank you, Golden. Mixed emotion about what happens, but what happens, it happens. So I think my mistakes. Whatever I the that's why that happens. Me and him is all my fault. No, no. Is it fighting with someone? No, not fighting. Not fighting. Yeah, I know about he fell sick. It's late. It's late when I know he fell sick. I late. I thought before we he break up with me. He said, I don't want you to say I don't want to see you anymore, Cheryl. And and it hurts me a lot that his words. So I decided that I need to move on, and it's really hurt for me his words because I understand he mad at me a lot because of my mistakes, my faults, and then no contact. I thought he happy, he's feel good, but then suddenly I noticed that he's not he's not good. Um, but we already talked about that. He asked me if I have the new one. I told him that yes, I have. I'm finding. Then he said to me, hope you don't lie this man, and you need to be honest, Cheryl. You need to be, don't lie to him. He said, I just want to know if you knew that. Yes. Oh my god, golden.
I said, massage. Yes. Isa na balik.
Way to go, golden. Oh my god. I golden is ano, it's, oh my god.
Warang.